Hello everyone, my name is Caitlin and welcome to another video. This is the first video on this channel to have my face in it, not only as a drawing, but also on camera. This marks the start of some exciting changes around here, and I want to really start to have fun with this channel and grow it, and that means ramping things up quite a bit. The start of that is, of course, the branding. So as you can see, today I'm doing a self-portrait for my channel icon. I do wear glasses in real life, but here on camera I didn't want to wear them because of the tremendously distracting glare. So my face is just gonna be a little bit naked here. I'll talk a little bit about the changes to my channel in a little bit, but first, as always, let's talk about what I'm drawing. I very rarely do human character design, but it is something that I want to get a lot better at doing. For this one, I didn't record the sketching process because it was a lot of me just playing around, doing things wrong, and getting something that I was happy with. It was a lot less pressure to not record that. Later on, you'll see some different eyes pop on and different hair, so those also weren't recorded for this very same reason. I need to get a lot more comfortable at just letting that recording go and not worry about it. I've always loved watching other people's processes, and learning from mistakes is the most helpful part for me. I really like seeing how other people tackle challenges, and seeing that for most people, the art process is almost never straightforward. For me, that really normalizes that struggle. It helps me understand that I'm not the only one that makes mistakes, and they're not only okay, but they're how you learn, they're how you grow and get better. I actually worked on this piece at the end of last year, and I never got a chance to make a video for it. It was a fun but challenging project, and it made me want to do character design a lot more. I especially want to improve on how I do hair, because even though I'm okay with how this one came out, there's still room for improvement. I've always loved hair illustrations that have line work or cell shading, where there's a crisp and distinct line between the shadow and the highlight. But I'm not used to shading that way, so when I tried it here, I wasn't happy with the results, and so I ended up with a much smoother shading instead. Cell shading is definitely something that I want to try more and do more with. You can see a couple of different ways that I do the hair, including line work and an attempt at cell shading, and I wasn't happy with any of them at the time. But I'm actually really glad I got them on the recording, because now that it's been a little bit of time between when I did the piece and now that I'm watching the recording, I actually kind of like the way that the line work was turning out, and I wish that I had done a little bit more with that and seen that through to the end. But maybe next time, maybe I'll save that for another piece. Regardless of my issues with the hair, I am pretty happy with how it turned out. I just know that there's a lot of room for improvement. Something that I did like about this piece was the patterned background that you'll see me add close to the end. I think it was a really great way to add a little bit of texture and interest to something that would otherwise be very flat negative space. It's also a really great way to be able to hide some little Easter eggs about your character in there. For me, I chose some things that I knew that I liked, so I added a cat, a little tiny car, some science stuff, and other cutesy things. Because I liked it so much, the patterned background has been something that I've been adding to pieces ever since I did this one, and it's been really cool. I love choosing the elements that go into the patterns and seeing what works along with the characters. Other than those things, this piece was very similar to everything else that I've done on this channel. I start out with the color flats and block in the big areas of color. I lock the transparency, and then I shade from there. For this one, I did do the shading a little bit differently too. I kept a little bit more of the flat style and shaded in a very minimal way, except when it came to the hair. It ended up being kind of a combo of cell shading and smooth shading, and I kind of like how it turned out. So now let's talk about what's going to be different on this channel and why. YouTube has always fascinated me, and it's I think a really awesome community and an awesome place for artists to be able to share more of their own work and do more of their own style and put themselves out there instead of waiting for somebody else to give them a chance. So that's what I'm trying to do here, is be able to do more of my own stuff and have a lot of fun with it in the process. My goal is to start out by putting out at least one video per week, and that video can be anything like this video where I sit and talk to camera while a time lapse of a digital painting goes by, or they could be challenge videos like the ever-famous 3-marker challenge, or some new ones I've thought up. I may even do some tutorials like how to handle colors and things like that. Maybe I'll talk about what art school is like, or what working in a studio is like, or just the life of an artist. The main goal of it really is to just have fun with it and produce content that I'm proud of and I have fun making and watching. So hopefully you guys have fun watching it too. If you guys have any ideas on what you'd like to see me try or do, let me know in the comments below. And now for the kinda awkward part. Right now, YouTube only allows larger creators with a bigger audience to earn ad money, which means that I can't make money here on YouTube, at least not yet. I'd need your help to keep this channel going. So if you're excited about this new content and you want to see where it goes, please consider heading over to my Patreon page and make a donation, no matter how small. I am still sorting out the rewards, so what would be good, what would be sustainable, and what you guys would enjoy getting. If you guys have any ideas of what you want to see on Patreon, please let me know. You can also head over to my online shop and get prints of my projects if you want. If a piece that you want a print of isn't listed yet, just let me know and I'll put it up. Not all of my pieces are available as prints right now, but if people want them, I am more than willing to oblige. Another way you can help is just by sharing my videos. Right now I don't have a lot of content, I understand that, but as I grow my channel and as I make more videos that you want to share and send out, please send it to your friends so that way I can at least reach the threshold to start making AdSense money here on YouTube. Alright, I think that just about does it for today. I hope you guys are excited for this new direction. I know I am. I am really looking forward to seeing where this new direction leads and all of the cool, awesome, fun, amazing stuff that I hope to make and I hope to share with you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more and you want to make sure that you don't miss any of the new exciting content, hit that subscribe button and maybe even that little bell icon. Let me know if you want to see anything specific from me or any new challenges, any drawings, anything, and especially those rewards on Patreon. Let me know what you guys want to see. Leave it in the comments below. Thank you again for watching. I hope to see you guys soon. Until next time, I hope you all have a very lovely day.